And remember, what we're doing is hiding these blocks in the sidebar using the context module. So I'm going to go to Structure, Context, and it's for the site-wide context. So I'm going to click Edit here. I'm going to scroll down and click Blocks under Reactions, and scroll down again. And I'll click the X next to each one of these 3 blocks that are being shown in the sidebar first. And I'll scroll down and click Save. And we'll exit out of the overlay. And now our sidebar region is empty, and we have our search and our navigation here in the right sidebar. So the next thing we wanted to do was hide one of these views. So we have this one and this one. This top one is review based. It's based on the review content type, and this bottom one is based on the product content type. So we want to hide the review content type. So now we can either delete this view if we think that we're not going to use it anymore, or we can disable it. For now, let's disable it so we can keep it around just in case we want to play with it later. So I'm going to go to Structure and Views, and this will give us a full list of views, and we can go to the review-based product related to review view and click the options here and select Disable. And if we exit out of the overlay here and refresh, you'll see that we now have just the one About This Product block.